Today we're at For Goodness Cakes getting a behind-the-scenes tour at the making of a wedding cake from concept to completion. Your cake artists are actually called cake engineers. So what makes them cake engineers, and how does that set you apart from other cake bakeries?
Yeah, so we call our designers cake engineers because we are very keen about having very straight lines and very level cakes. So that's our biggest thing with our cakes, because we feel like if the cake is not level, it totally throws off the entire design.
I mean, it takes it to a whole nother level when you think you're engineering cakes and not just decorating cake.
Yeah, it takes a lot of time and effort, but we love doing it. So,
what inspires your cake designs?
Everything from walking outside to looking at different weddings to other cake bakers.
So a little bit about that process. You get the initial inspiration, you meet with the client, and then you go to sketching and sort of building the cake design?
Yeah, so we always like to get what the bride has in mind and also what they have in mind for their entire wedding look. And we love to pull in different elements from their stationery and linens and that kind of thing. And
then literally once the sketch is approved, you engineer, you bake the cake.
Yep, we bake the cake, we put all our engineering tools into the cake, and then, yeah, it's all designing from there. So we have an amazing team that does it. So.
Yeah. I know it's probably really hard, but what are some of your favorite cake designs?
Some of our favorite elements right now are textures, a lot of florals, so like the gum paste florals, and then a lot of metallics.
So you guys have a lot of different cake flavors. How many right now are on your roster?
So we have about 12 to 15 different flavors that we rotate. But our most popular flavor right now is the vanilla cake with the salted caramel cream cheese.
Yeah.
It's delicious, and you can't go wrong with salted caramel.
Now, is that your favorite?
It's probably my favorite. That and the butter pecan are my go-tos. So, yeah.
Thanks so much for having us today.
Thank you.